distance between the person ahead of you. For those of you that are in front of your line, okay, here we go, gents. Make sure your feet are behind the line. Those of you in front. On your mark.
And this is now second heat in boys division 3. Our boys in Heat 1 now made it past the 2-mile mark and are on the back of Reservoir Hill. That means the next time you'll see them, if you look...
Let's go! Come on, Versus! Good job, Kenny. Good job, Kenny. Let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go, Daniel! Daniel! Let's go, Versus! Good job, Eric! Run your race, Eric! Arms, Daniel, arms! Pump those arms! Let's go, West. Go, Daniel, go! Get him, Daniel, get him! Go, Daniel! Deep breath, Matthew, deep breath! Let's go, West Covina. You can do it, brother. Let's go. Let's go, West Covina. You can do it. You can do it.
Come on, catch up! Come on, come on! Let's go!
Turning to the team competition in this race, Santa Margarita, first runner in 5th place in the gold tops.
It's got a ton of horsepower, I love it.
Santa Margarita and Capistrano Valley with 2 runners in the top 10 with 300 meters to go. Pasadena with 2 in the top 12 with 300 meters to go. Santa Margarita, though, with their 4th and 5th runners in the top 15. Capistrano Valley with its 3rd runner in the top 18 with 300 meters to go.
Go boys, keep moving, keep moving. Keep going, water's back here. Keep moving. Keep going, guys. Water's behind you.
Isaiah Gibbons runs the fastest time of the day by far, 15:11. Isaiah Gibbons, the winner. De La Torre stays in second at 15:43. And Jordan Galindo, 15:44. Matt Galindo, 15:53 in 3rd and 4th. Gibson of Santa Margarita, 5th at 16:02. Snodgrass, San Marcos, 16:04 and 6th. Stevens at Capistrano Valley, 16:07 and 7th. Wiggins of Buena, 16:09. He finishes 8th. Warsi of Capo Valley, 16:15. And Rainey of Santa Margarita, 16:15. Second heat of Division III continues to finish a huge pack there in the 3rd heat. And this mile is a bit slower than the previous 2 heats. 5:04, that's why we have such a large pack there. Everybody in it at the end of the 1st mile, and we mean everybody. Santa Margarita, Capo Valley, Buena, and Canyon now have the first 4 teams with 5 runners across, and San Marcos joins them as the first with 5, and now Canyon has 5 across. And everybody in it as they head up the top there. You can see the black and red stripes of the Palos Verdes runners. They are the top-ranked team in this division. They were the Division III sweepstakes champions this year at the Mount Sac Invitational, and they're running very well here. Torrance, 4th in that same race that Palos Verdes won there. They are running well in this group. And Agoura, that's our group heading up to the top of the switchbacks. Turning our scores back to the 2nd heat. Looks like Santa Margarita and Capo Valley, Buena and Pasadena look to be moving on, man. It looks very close. San Marcos, Canyon, and Santiago Gardro, but San Marcos and Canyon separated by just a few points here as runners continue to finish in the dynamic scoring there. We'll get a final score here in just a few minutes as all 5 runners on the team have to cross before that team can register, and then all their runners displace other teams. So we'll get that score in a minute. Division III boys, Heat 3 on their way up to the top of the switchbacks, and we're now just about 20 minutes away from the first race of the day, which will be for girls the Division III Heat 1. Bielma, Sonora leading, and then the Palos Verdes boys running well. They're top three as they come by the halfway point. This is the halfway or the crossover from one half of the course to the other. And that's Bielma, and then Stefano, Kirk, and Farnsworth of Palos Verdes. Echeverria gives Sonora 2 of the top 5. Then Martinez of Damien, De Jesus of Torrance, Dorantes of Torrance, Hunter Roy of Granite Hills, and Munawar of Torrance. And our team scoring, the mats there right as the crossover just before they come under the bridge at the halfway point. We've got Palos Verdes, Agoura, Torrance, South Torrance comfortably in the top 4 spots. Then a little bit of a gap, and Sonora, Roland, Oak Park very close in 5, 6, and 7. Then a little bit of gap to Shadow Hills, Diamond Ranch, Don Lugo, and Rancho Alamitos as the boys make their way towards the back of the course. They head up poop out, they get on the back, that'll be the 2 mile.
Get some water over here.
This thing flips. Oh, okay, it's so quick. There's a lot of punch packed into this Bronco Sport. It's got a ton of horsepower, I love it. Alright, now we're getting some fun stuff, yeah.
Bielma continues to lead that group, 10:33 at the 2 mile. Now they're on the back of Reservoir. Again, they'll come from the right side as they head up that hill.